Hey, Rokaz, your digital lifestyle expert here. You finally made the switch to Mac? Congratulations. We've been waiting for you. What took you so long? No, and you've got 20 years of PC games that you still want to enjoy, but you want to do it on your new Mac computer. How do you do that? Well, there's a couple of different ways. First off is, for some of the more popular games, there's emulation software out there, which is basically a translator. It's a program that you're going to run on the computer. You're going to install it onto the computer, and this can be purchased at your Mac store or apple.com. And it acts as a translator between the programs. And it's very specific because when you purchase it, either on the box or online, it'll tell you which games it's compatible with, meaning there's only certain PC games that certain emulators will allow you to play on your Mac. Now you're saying, Rokaz, listen, I've got a lot of different games. I don't want to buy a lot of emulators. How can I solve this? Well, still there's two choices for you to do. One is to get either VMware Fusion, or Parallels, which allows you to run two OSs simultaneously on your computer. Yes, I'm actually talking about running Windows at the same time you're running OS X. It's really easy to install. Just follow the straight up installation instructions, and then you're going to need a clear license on Windows XP to actually load it in there. It is not an emulator or simulator. You will actually be running full Windows XP on your computer. Load that up in there, and as far as your Mac is concerned, that part of it is full on Windows. Load and play whatever you want. There's another way to do it too, which is to use Bootcamp, which will partition part of your drive as a Windows computer. Scary thought, but yes, your Mac can be partitioned into a Windows computer. The difference is that you won't be running them simultaneously. When you go ahead and launch your Mac, you're going to go ahead and launch it as a Windows computer. What? Yes. In fact, when Vista released, the cover of PC Magazine said the very best computer to run Vista on is a Mac. Keep that in mind. Scary, isn't it? So, with those 1, 2, or 3 options, you're going to have a lot of enjoyment. I do it all the time. I've got lots of PC games. I still enjoy and play on any one of these beautiful Mac laptops. So it's me, Rokaz, your digital lifestyle expert, saying, game on.